Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can set up Eclipse IDE for Java development. So that's been said, let's get started. So to develop Java application on Eclipse IDE, we need to set up Java JDK on our Windows 10 system. For that, just open your favorite browser and search for Java JDK 14. So Java JDK 14 is the latest version of Java. So to download Java, just open the link from oracle.com. Don't worry about the download link. The download link will be on the description box. So this is the download page from where you can download Java JDK 14. So here you have to select your operating system. So we are going to download Windows x64-bit installer file. So here we have the download link. Just click on this link and here just accept the license agreement of Oracle Java SE and click on this download link. In order to download Java JDK 14, you have to create an Oracle account, or if you already have an Oracle account, then you can log into your account. Let me show you how you can create an Oracle account. For that, just click on create account and here you have to fill up some information. So let me fill up this information. After filling up all the necessary information, just click on create account and you will get a verification email. Verify your email. So here we have the verification email from Oracle. Just click on verify email address. So your account has been successfully created on Oracle. Just click on continue. After creating your account, you will get this page. So here you have to log into your account. Just click on view account, then here just click on sign in. So here you can see this is our account section. So now to download Java JDK 14, just click on products and here select Java, and here we have download Java option. Just click on download Java and here you can see Java SE 14.0.2 is the latest version of Java SE platform. In order to download, just click on JDK download. So this is our download page. From here we can download Java JDK 14. So we are just going to download for Windows. So here you can see the download size is around 162 MB. Just click on this download link and here just accept the license agreement, then click on download. And here you can see it is downloading, so it will take some time to download. After the download complete, I will show you how you can set up Java JDK 14 on your Windows 10 computer. So our download has been successfully completed. Now just open this installer file. So here we have our setup window. Let me minimize the browser. Here just click on next. And here is the location where your Java JDK is going to install. If you have a good reason to change this location, then you can change by clicking on this change option and you can browse the location. But I will suggest you to keep it default. This will help you further while you are going to set up Java JDK on your system. So let me click on next. And here you can see it is installing. So it will take almost 10 to 15 minutes. So let me complete the installation process. Here you can see Java SE Development Kit 14 is successfully installed on our system. So let me close this. Now let me tell you that by just downloading and installing Java JDK on your system, Java will not work. You have to set environment variable. So to set environment variable, just open your C drive, then go to programs file, then look for a folder called Java. So here we have Java. Inside this Java folder, we will find Java JDK 14.0.2 folder. Just open this folder and here we have the bin folder. Just open the bin folder. Now just copy this link. Now search for control panel. So here we have control panel. Just open control panel. Here go to system and security, then go to system, and on left hand side you will find an option called advanced system setting. Just click on advanced system setting. Here you will find an option called environment variable. Click on environment variable. Under system variable you will get path option. Select path option, then click on edit and here click on new and paste the path, then click on OK, then click on OK and here also click on OK. Now just close this control panel. Now to check whether your Java is successfully set up on your system or not, we can use command prompt. So let me search for cmd and open as administrator. Now to check the Java version, just type Java-version. So here we have our Java version number, here we have our Java SE runtime environment build number and Java hotspot server VM build number. Now to check whether Java C is working or not, just type Java C. So let me tell you that Java C is a Java compiler which will help you to compile your Java code. So if you find bunch of statement, that means Java is successfully set up on your system. Now it's time to install Eclipse IDE. For that, just open your browser and search for Eclipse IDE and open the link from eclipse.org. Don't worry about the download link. The download link will be on the description box. So here we have the official website of Eclipse from where we can download Eclipse IDE. So here you can get an option called download. Click on download. And here we can see the latest version of Eclipse IDE is 2020-06. So just click on download 64-bit. And here we have the download option. Click on download. It will ask you to donate. So if you wish, you can donate to Eclipse Foundation or you can just continue with the download process. So here you can see it is downloading and it is around 62 MB. So let me complete the download process and after that I will show you how you can properly set up Eclipse IDE for Java development. Our download has been completed. Now just open the file. So here we have Eclipse installer. Let me minimize the browser. So here we have an error, so we need to update this Eclipse installer. To update this Eclipse installer, simply click on this hamburger menu and here you will find option called update. Click on update and here just accept all the license agreement. So our Eclipse installer is successfully updated to the newer version. Now let me show you how you can set up Eclipse IDE for Java. Here we have different options for Eclipse. So we are just going to download Eclipse IDE for Java developer. This is the version of Eclipse. This is our Java JDK version and this is the installation location where Eclipse is going to install. And it will automatically create shortcut for your desktop and menu shortcut. To install, simply click on install. And here we have to accept some license agreement from Eclipse Foundation. And here you can see it is installing. Here you have to accept the unsigned content. To accept that, just click on accept. We had successfully installed Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Now let us launch the software. This is our workspace location, so all the project will be saved on this location. If you want to change this location, you can change by clicking on this browse button. But I will suggest you to keep it default. Then click on launch. Here we have the welcome window. Let me maximize the window. Here you will get all the necessary information regarding Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So let me close this welcome window. And here you will also get a donation window for Eclipse Foundation. So if you want to donate to Eclipse Foundation, then you can donate. So let me close this donate window. So this way you can install and set up Eclipse IDE for Java development. Now let me show you how you can create your first Java application using Eclipse IDE. You can click on a create Java project or you can create a project or you can simply import project. But we are going to create a new project. For that, simply click on file, then click on new and here simply select Java project. Here just name your project, say for example test, and here we have the Java version and simply click on next. So this is our project hierarchy. So here we have our Java project folder and inside this folder we get a source folder. Inside this source folder all our Java project file will be saved. So let me click on finish. Here we have to create module info.java file. So let us name as test module. Then click on create. So here we have our test module Java file. Now we need to create one package. To create a package, simply click on this source folder, then right click on it, then go to new and here you will find an option called package. Simply name the package, say for example test package, then click on finish. Inside this package we need to create our class file. For that, simply right click on it, click on new, then here select class. Let me name my class as demo and here you can select super object and here you can select the method. Let me select public static void main function then click on finish. So here we have our first Java program. So this is our package name, that is test package, and this is our main class file, that is demo. Now here we can start some coding. Now let me show you how you can run your first Hello World project using Eclipse IDE. So let me write system.out.println. Then let me close this statement, and here let me write double quotes, and inside this double quotes let me write hello world. Now to run this program you need to save this file. To save the file, just click on file, then here you will find save all option, click on save all. Now to run this, here you will find a run option, click on run, or you can use Ctrl plus F11. So here you can see on our console, here we have hello world. Similarly you can print other statement. So let me print welcome to the Coder World YouTube channel. So to save the files, again go to file, then click on save all, then click on run, and here on our console, here we have welcome to the Coder World YouTube channel. So that's it for this video. If you want to learn Java programming, then we already have a playlist for Java beginners, so you can check that playlist link will be on the I button, or you will get in the description box. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you in next video.